Last week, I talked about referential comprehension and how we can help our learners understand that the answers to those WH questions can be found in the text they just read. The second type of comprehension, inferential, is much more difficult for our learners. It takes time to develop. It means the ability to think through the information in the text and understand a deeper meaning which is not actually stated in the text. For example, it's the ability to answer the question, why? In other words, teaching inferential comprehension is basically teaching thinking, and this takes time to develop. So how can we help this process? Let's take, for example, reading a story. The story has to be meaningful to the learner, meaningful and well known. The story has to be read multiple times. The student can, for example, read it aloud once and then 2 or 3 times silently to himself. Once again, the idea of reading for meaning is invaluable. If a child understands from the get-go that the purpose of reading is to find out what's in the book, what's in the story, then comprehension follows naturally and much more easily. Next week, I'll tell you a true story about how well that can work. See you then.